Well, I figured instead of looking at my face, you might rather look at some dolphins frolicking out here in the harbor. So let's talk about Tesla. The stock closed today at 240, I believe. And so that means technically that my video from yesterday aged really well. I know I talk about dollar cost averaging into Tesla in this MAD account that I have. This is not a long-term account. If you're a long-term Tesla investor, which I am also in another account, you can buy Tesla just about any time as long as you're willing to hold it long-term. However, in this particular case, I know yesterday I said I would be buying at 240. I would not be buying at 250. Well, frankly, I didn't buy today. And the reason I didn't buy today wasn't because of Tesla, but it's really because of what's going on in Russia and Ukraine. And this deal, this so-called ceasefire deal, at least at this time here on Thursday evening, appears like it's probably going to go sideways. And that could have, obviously that's going to affect the markets. So if there's a chance that this war is going to continue and America are going to get more deeply involved, that could affect the markets. Nothing to do with Tesla, but it could affect the markets. So I'm going to be watching very closely. Tesla are doing everything right. They're hitting all their marks. But like every other company on the planet, they are dependent on what goes on in the rest of the world. So we're just going to have to put ourselves in a wait-and-see environment here. Now, I don't know what's going to happen with this stock tomorrow. I have a feeling if the macroeconomics, like the Russia thing, are bad, it could go back down. It could go all the way back down to 219. It could go to 200. It could go below 200. None of us really know. But you want to be careful. These are volatile times. And, they say you should invest when there's blood in the streets. And that's very, very true. When people are fearful, you should be brave. That's very true. But you also have to give that just a little bit of time to see where things are actually going to go. Because we really don't know. Anyway, if I make any major moves in Tesla or in any other company, I promise you I will come back on here and I will tell you exactly what's going on. Meanwhile, I just want you to be very safe and in a very volatile environment. Take your time. You don't have to rush into these things. And anyway, listen, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all coming back here. And I will be back again tomorrow to give you an update. And hopefully I'll have more of an insight into where I think, first of all, the market is going and definitely where Tesla is going. So anyway, have a great day. Thanks.